welcome to fall, and it's exciting right now. It's gonna be Halloween this October 31. Don't forget to prepare your Halloween costume from Target and your pumpkin basket. And these are the things you can see in Target, the costumes and the accessories you can put on your costume during Halloween season.
Yes, we are here at Target and these are the Halloween decorations right now. You can see the pumpkin with the electric guitar, and this is the costume. There's a lollipop costume, and if you have a Target membership, you're less 20%. And this is the ice cream and the tumbler. And this is Bluey costume and Captain America, Mickey Mouse, and Minnie Mouse, and a lot of more. And stereotype costume and a lot of wear costume. This is Frozen costume, Minecraft, and you can see Marvel. This is Spider-Man and Moana and the Disney Princess Aurora and Astrid and Beetlejuice, Rapunzel and the Witch, the Wicked, and Rapunzel and Mermaid and Alice in Wonderland, and Anna costume, Minecraft, and Spider-Man, Bat Dragon, butterfly or peacock costume, and this one for pumpkin curving and activity for kids. And these are the makeup you can apply with your costume to look like scary, and the makeup for face, and these are the color spray for the hair and other accessory costume. And these are the candies you can buy at Target at around $9.99 for 75 pieces. And these are the assorted chocolates and candies and gummy bears. And these are the assorted nerds and chocolates. You can
Get to buy some treats at Dollar Tree, and some of the budget treats you can get at Halloween season.
These are the treats like bubbles for $1 for 5 pieces or 8 pieces. These are $3 bubbles, and also there's a budget pack for $5 with the teeth of a vampire. And you can see bubbles for $5, 24 pieces. 48 pieces budget packs for $5. And these are the things you can give at Halloween if you don't want candies in different kinds. You can choose for giveaways or stickers and spiders. This budget pack is around $5. It had assorted buckets and bags.
Guys, we're gonna make a loot bags, treat bags.
These are the treats you can buy at Target, and this one you can buy this at Dollar Tree. So we'll open the plastic as well.
slime as well. We'll put slime. This. And this.
These are the trees.
Don't also forget to shop some of the costume for your kids this Halloween season. Happy Halloween, guys! Happy Scary Month!
Guess what's my costume?
Boy, chicken boy, cat boy, chicken boy. No cat boy,
I cat boy!
boy.
I cat boy!
Halloween decoration. And here are the decorations at Target.
Hello. I'm so happy you could carve out some time to come out tonight.
And these are the Halloween decoration with sounds. And you can hear it.
Trick or treat vibes are mischief awaits.
It's a night for all to play, for ghouls and goblins to dance away. I fear nothing, night or day, except a strong breeze to make me
And these are the different kinds of lamps and also decor. And you can see skeleton, different colors of skeleton and pumpkins. And don't forget to decorate your house. It's fall and make it wonderful this Halloween season. And these are the few decoration of Halloween in our house.
And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.